guys, welcome to Everything Blockchain. Stablecoins have launch-powered DeFi from trades and liquidity to lending and borrowing. Today we are going to be talking about USDO, a yield-bearing stablecoin backed by real-world assets like US Treasury bills, offering not just dollar-pegged stability but transparent, compliant, and on-chain yield that you can access 24/7. I'll be taking you through OpenEden's Bills Campaign, a points-based rewards program where you earn just by using USDO or cUSDO in DeFi. If you're interested in knowing more about USDO, I'll drop the relevant links in the description box for you. A heads up, there's no lockup, just real yield, utility, and extra rewards for being early. Here's all that I will cover: how to participate in the campaign, how to earn points by holding, lending, or providing liquidity, and how to get bigger multipliers to maximize your rewards. If you've been looking for stablecoin yield that's sustainable, DeFi-native, and rewarding, this one's worth your attention. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so you can see from the bill campaign bounty list, just holding USDO or cUSDO on Base or Ethereum earns you points automatically. But we want boosts and bigger multipliers, so we're going to provide liquidity in the cUSDO USDC pool on Aerodrome. Now, if you already have USDC on Base, just head over to the swap page and convert it into cUSDO. That's exactly what I did. I swapped into about 243 cUSDO. I forgot to hit record during the swap, but I'll still walk you through the steps here so you don't miss anything. Now, once you've got your cUSDO, provide liquidity into the cUSDO USDC pool and get your LP tokens. From there, we'll go back to the Bills campaign page, filter by lending, and scroll down to find this one. Supply cUSDO USDC LP as collateral to borrow on Morpho. This comes with a 10x multiplier, as you can see. Click the link, head to Morpho, and deposit your tokens here. In my case, the LP was worth just over $600 and I borrowed 450 USDC against it. Next up, I'm going to bridge that 450 USDC from Base to Ethereum. Once it's bridged, we'll swap that USDC to cUSDO using Paraswap, which by the way is now rebranded as Velora. I already had a bit of USDC on mainnet, so I swapped a total of 500 USDC into cUSDO. Now that we've got our cUSDO on the Ethereum mainnet, let me show you a couple of ways you can put it to work. So let's head back to the main bounties page, filter by strategic walls, and when you see supply cUSDO to the Upshift strategic wall, click on that. This comes with a 3x multiplier. I'm going to deposit 100 cUSDO into this vault right now. Once this is done, we are going to head to Napier. There's a bounty for supplying LP to the cUSDO pool on Napier. This one gives you a 5x multiplier. And if you hold the yield token, that adds another 15x multiplier. I'm going to be supplying LP. I'm putting about 200 cUSDO into this pool here. As you can see, all these steps help with boosting your bills and squeezing more value out of the same capital. Now with around 250 cUSDO left, let me show you a couple of options you can consider. You can supply LP for cUSDO on Pendle, or just hold the yield token for cUSDO. You can do this either on Pendle or Spectra. Spectra is available both on Ethereum and Base. Hold in the YT comes with a 15x multiplier. Also, I have something to show you, so let's head to Pendle. If you get the PDCUSDO here, you can use that as collateral to borrow USDC on Morpho, or on Euler you can choose from an array of assets to borrow from: USDC, USDD, USDE, DAI. So all of this also opens up more yield strategies. As of now, I don't see any multiplier for this particular strategy, but if you want, you could do this anyway, as like I said, it opens up even more strategies and opportunities. As for me, I'm keeping it simple. I'm just going to supply LP for cUSDO on Pendle with the remaining cUSDO that I have. What about you? Let me know in the comments what strategy you're going to go with. And that wraps up today's video. We covered a number of ways we can get bill points using USDO and cUSDO. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos in the future. I'll be back soon. Till then, take care. Bye.